simple harmonic motion. So here you people have to learn about what is oscillatory or vibratory motion. It is the periodic motion in which the body moves along the same path, that is to and fro motion about a mean equilibrium position. Here example is considered as swing of the bob of a simple pendulum, motion of the prongs of tuning fork, up and down motion of mass suspended from spring. So simple harmonic motion is the periodic motion about an equilibrium position. It is the motion in which the force acting on the body is directly proportional to the displacement. It is defined as the motion which repeats itself at regular intervals of time. It is defined as periodic motion which repeats about the mean position. So example for this, it is considered as oscillation of simple pendulum. And next one, that is swing of the pendulum of a wall clock, oscillation of the balance wheel of a wristwatch, projection of uniform circular motion on the diameter, vibration of the prongs of the excited tuning fork, and vibration of the plucked strings of musical instruments like veena, tamburi, violin, guitar, etc. There are some conditions for which simple harmonic motion, that is, see here, stable equilibrium position is required, no dissipation of energy, the acceleration must be opposite and proportional to the displacement. Similarly, there are some characteristics, that is, simple harmonic motion is special case of periodic motion. And here see, it must have the mass and inertia. And in simple harmonic motion, the constant restoring force is always acts on the body. And here the acceleration produced in the body, that is due to restoring force, is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from the equilibrium position. In simple harmonic motion, see the simple harmonic motion, the direction of acceleration or restoring force is opposite to the displacement. And here it is represented by the expression x equal to a sin omega t, where a is amplitude and omega is angular frequency.